Everyday English practice.
Everyday English practice.
Hello, my friends. Before we begin, I want you to silence for a minute and just listen carefully. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Now, let me tell you something that may surprise you. English language has more than 171,000 words in current use. Yes, more than 171,000 words. Now, be honest with yourself. When you hear this number, how do you feel? Maybe a little stressed. Maybe a little shocked. Maybe a little overwhelmed. Maybe even a little discouraged. Because deep inside, you may be thinking, how can I ever learn all of that? And here is the simple answer: you don't. You do not need to learn 171,000 words to speak English fluently. And this is exactly where most people get it wrong. Many learners believe that fluency means knowing more and more vocabulary. So they spend hours memorizing long lists of words. They write them down. They repeat them again and again. But after a few days they forget most of the words. Does this sound familiar? If yes, don't worry. You are not alone. The problem is not your memory. The problem is not your ability. The problem is the method. Now here is the truth that can change everything for you. You can speak clear, natural, daily English with just 521 simple words. Yes, only 521. Not thousands. Not tens of thousands. Just a small group of words used in the right way. Let us think about this together. Even native speakers do not use all the words in their language. A typical adult may know 2,000 to 3,000 words. But, in daily conversation, they usually use only 500 to 700 words. That is it. So, if you learn and master these high-frequency words, you can communicate effectively in most situations. Now, what are these 521 words? They are the most common, most useful, and most prevailing words in English. They include simple pronouns, like I, you, we, they, she, he. Basic verbs, like go, come, eat, drink, make, take, sleep. Common adjectives such as good, bad, big, small, happy, sad. Everyday nouns such as food, time, people, day, work, student, man. These are not difficult words. In fact, you already know almost all of them. And that is the good news. You are already closer to fluency than you think. Now here is the key idea. Fluency is not about knowing more words. Fluency is about using simple words in the right way. Let me show you something powerful. Take the word go. I go to work. I go home. I go to school. I go with my friend. One simple word but multiple meanings. Few simple words but multiple sentences. Now take the word make. I make food. I make money. I make a plan. I make a mistake. Again, one word, many uses. Few simple words but many sentences. Again, take the word write. I write a letter. She writes on paper. He write note. They write poem. The same thing. One word, many uses. Few simple words but many sentences. This is how real English works. In the next section, I will show you the patterns. Take breath. Relax and listen carefully. Your life is already equipped full of English. You do not need difficult topics. You do not need complicated issues. You do not need difficult ideas. You have everything you need to speak English. Because you have a variety of real-life situations. Your morning routine, your workplace, your relatives, your social life, the people around you. your feelings, these all are your English topics. Now let us back to patterns. Patterns are like building blocks. When you learn a pattern, you can use it again and again, with different words. Use simple sentences, not complicated sentences. For example, pattern 1. I want. You can say, I want to eat. I want to sleep. I want to learn English. I want to improve my life. The sentences are simple, which consists daily life words. Let us move to pattern 2. I like. I like coffee. I like music. I like this place. I like talking with you. Create sentences and speak them aloud. Pattern 3. I need. I need help. I need time. I need water. I need to study. You see how simple this is? Instead of searching many words, 521 words are enough to speak English fluently. Repeat the sentences again and again. Make sentences, practice it. Practice makes perfect. Now imagine this. If you learn 20 patterns and 521 words, you can create thousands of sentences. This is the secret. Now let us go deeper. Why do most people fail to speak English fluently? There are 3 main reasons. Number 1, they try to learn too many words. Number 2, they don't practice speaking. Number 3, they are afraid of making mistakes. Let us talk about each one. First, learning too many words. When you try to learn everything, your brain becomes overloaded. You forget quickly. You feel frustrated. And you lose motivation. Instead, focus on the most important words. Repeat them. Use them. Practice them daily. Second, not practicing speaking. English is a skill. Like driving. Like cooking. Like playing music. You cannot learn it only by reading or watching. You must speak. Even if you speak slowly. Even if you make mistakes. Speak anyway. Because practice creates confidence. Third, fear of mistakes. This is very important. Many people are afraid to speak because they think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? But let me tell you something. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every mistake helps you improve. So don't be afraid. Speak more. Learn more. Grow more. Now let us do a small exercise together. I will give you a sentence. Then you repeat it. I want to learn English. Good. Now change one word. I want to learn cooking. Again. I want to learn driving. You see. Same pattern. Different meaning. Now try this. I like this. Change it. I like this book. I like this place. I like this idea. This is how you train your brain. Simple. Repetition. Practice. Now let us talk about daily habits. If you want to become fluent, you need a daily routine. Here is a simple plan. Spend 10 minutes learning new words. Spend 10 minutes practicing sentence patterns. Spend 10 minutes speaking out loud. That is only 30 minutes a day. But if you do this every day, your English will improve very fast. Consistency is more important than perfection. Now let me ask you something. Do you really need perfect English? No. You need clear English. You need confident English. You need practical English. Because language is for communication. Not for perfection. Now imagine this. You can walk into a shop and say, I want this. I need help. How much is this? Simple. Clear. Effective. That is fluency. You don't need thousands of words. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to be afraid. You only need simple words, simple patterns, daily practice, and belief in yourself. So from today, change your mindset. Stop chasing big vocabulary. Start mastering small, powerful words. Because the truth is simple. Fluency is not about how many words you know. It is about how well you use the words you already have. Thank you for listening, my friends. Keep practicing. Keep learning. And keep going. Your English journey has already begun.
If the video is helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and comment for more impressive content.